Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a dish that's a twist on a classic party favorite, lasagna. But this isn't just any lasagna, it's a no pasta lasagna. Perfect for those looking for something a lighter but still super delicious. It's healthy filling and guaranteed to be a hit at your next get together. Let's get started. So first of all, we'll heat some oil in a pan. We will start by thinly slicing the potatoes and then frying them in the oil lightly until golden brown. Add a pinch of salt. These potatoes will act as the pasta layers in our lasagna. Once you have got your slices, set them aside. Now let's move on to the filling. Heat a tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the butter melts, add the chopped onion and saute until it's nice and translucent. Next, add the veggies one by one. You can add any veggies of your choice. I have added carrots, bell peppers, green peas and sweet corn. Saute everything well. This is where all the flavors start to build. Add salt to taste. Once the veggies are cooked through, sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of Maida. Mix it in well, making sure there are no clumps. This step is crucial for a smooth, creamy filling. Now, slowly add in the cup of milk while continuously stirring. This will help the mixture thicken up nicely. You will want to keep stirring until you get a creamy consistency. Season with black pepper and chili flakes to taste. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. Now it's time to assemble our no pasta lasagna. Start by laying down a layer of the thinly sliced potatoes in your baking dish. Follow that with a layer of a creamy veggie filling. Repeat the layers, ending with a final layer of the veggies on top. For the topping, I have mixed some cheddar as well as mozzarella cheese. Spread this over the top layer of the veggies. This will give us that golden bubbly finish we all love. Now pop the dish into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the top is golden and crispy. You can add herbs of your choice on top. I have added coriander leaves, but you can also add parsley. And there you have it, a no pasta lasagna. It's creamy, cheesy and packed with veggies, a perfect party pleaser that's sure to impress your guests. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.